Well, I was at work, overnight shift. I saw that ad on Facebook Market for this mower, and it says in running condition. I texted the person, and I told him after I get off work in the morning, 9 o'clock, I'll be there and pick it up. So I went there, and unfortunately, I couldn't try it because it was bone dry. There was no gas in there. She said there was no issue with it before they stored it, and I got it. I checked, it's not seizing or anything, and I brought it home. As you can see, it was really dirty. I didn't have my other car, so as you can see, the tires I put in plastic bags, and I put in my regular car, and it did fit already. So I came home. It was really pouring. As you can see, it's raining. The floor is wet. So I'm gonna put some gas in it and try it. It came with a bagger. It's a Toro, a smart style, Vortex technology, and let's hopefully I didn't buy a lemon. So let's try it. So I put gas in there already, and let's start it. Hopefully it will run. Let's check the spark plug. It's not running. So it didn't start, so I'm gonna put some carb cleaner in there. Okay, started with the carb cleaner. It's running, and the side propeller is also running. I'm just gonna start it one more time without any help or any carb cleaning in the carb.